Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am playing Chainsaw Devil Black Heart, I think so. It's a pretty fun game. Oh god, what's the hell is this lag? It's a pretty fun game. Yeah, it's a pretty fun game. Just um this dude dead. Yeah, this dude dead. Yeah. Okay, so not that good at this game. I'm like pretty new to it and stuff. Guess. Let me just kill this mantis. Come on, eh? Wow. This dude talks? No, man. Didn't know. Can you even block it? Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm finna die, bro. I'm finna die. Finna die. Okay. Finna die. This mantis dude, strong ASF. God, I'm lagging. Help. Oh no. Ugh. That hurt. Shink. Very careful. Shink. Oh, finally. Took me hours, bro. Should have had some skill points right now. It's fallen and I can't get it well. Oh, hey. Okay. One sec. Okay. Yo, what should I do in the next video? Comment down below. And yeah, I may as well create some shorts later on and stuff. Let me just kill this ain't fiend. Oh shit. Shink. Oh, I hate this game. Go die. Ow. That hurt. Shink. Chink, 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 chink. Phew. You really know how to dodge, don't you? He's dead. Oh Oh no. Guys, I don't know if you spotted this, but 1,069, 1,691, 69. Okay, guys. Back to the point. Back to the video. Let's go and kill some more of these fiends. We just swing. Ah! Ow! That did a lot of damage. Ow! 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 Ow. That's a lot of damage. Oh god. It's a lot of range too. Boy! Holy, you suck. Yeah, you suck. Bruh. I used my skill and he killed me. How is that even possible? Huh? Did y'all see that? Or did I just see that? The hell is a Yakuza underling? Shink, shink. There's an imposter fiend too. Oh my god. Ow! How does he use combat? Bro, Mantis is the most annoying one out of all of these. Yeah, I'm dead. Let's see how long it has been. Oh shit, 5 minutes. I don't want to make this too long. So yeah, go die. God, this dude does so much damage. Bro, he cancelled it. Somehow. Ow! Oh god. You need to swing before you even get close to him, to be honest. He has combat. So yeah. It's very annoying. Oh, kill him. Let's go. Alright guys, this is probably gonna be my um most, what could I say? Like what am I supposed to say again? I forgot what I was gonna say. Most less time taking, I guess, like probably for 10 minutes maybe. Well, I will do this only for 10 minutes. I'll make this video for only 10 minutes. I do not understand what the hell he just said. Okay, did I just quit? Oh, I quit. It's like, bro, what? Do I become a devil hunter or do I become them? I think I might have to. Think I want to be a devil. I'm gonna check the location. So then, I'll be right back. Okay, turns out I need 10k yen. I'll show you. This dude, thank you for telling me. I mean, who's this guy? Yeah, Goken Alter. Definitely go sub. Definitely go sub to him. He told me that he like helped me. He's like, need to find. You need to get. Need to find the heart, I think, and then get. And then you have to get like 10k yen, and then blah blah blah. But maybe if you get a heart, like you don't have to, no, you don't have to get, huh? Why did I just earn yen? I mean, yeah, why did I just earn yen? No heart there. So there's chances you could either be like to become a hybrid. I guess you could say that you have to go to the hospital and get pay 10k. But if you find a heart, you don't have to go to the hospital. I think that's the thing. I don't know. Okay, I'm really bad at this stuff. I'm trying to be family friendly here. So yeah, defeated the boss and it was really hard. Just kept destroying me. It took me. I had to do it like 4 times just to kill him, bro. It was that, that guy that spits out. I don't know if it spits it out or whatever, but the dude who, whatever. Okay, let me just watch another YouTube video of his to find out where heart locations are. So I found like 7 heart locations. One is at the shop. I think I forgot where the shop is. Whatever. God, I'm lagging so badly. What's going on? Okay, so I have to go to the shop. Like, one is at the shop. Let me just go check it out. It's, I don't know why. It'll be alright. Cause, baby, I know it's gonna be alright. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Yeah, okay, don't mind me. I really don't know how to sing this song. Oh, are they even going up there? There's no heart here. Or is there? Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna be alright. Crazy, pretty baby. Mama's gonna be alright. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so one is at the shop. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, this is the dude that destroyed me so many times. Okay, let's go to the nearest one, which is near the park. I think this is the park, right? Yeah, somewhere here. I think. Oh, wait. Is it here? Nah, I don't think. I don't know. He was like some. I don't know actually. Was like brick. Oh no. His name is Sea Cucumber. Ah! Yeah, this dude combos hard. So I run away. It's too good, okay? Okay, he not here. Nice. Bruh. Came at the same. Hey, what? What was this? Has this always been here? I don't know. La, 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 la. By the way, you press T to transform if you didn't know that. Oh, is that hard? Oh no. I really thought that was hard. It's just that was thingy. My bad. Wait, I think it's here. Is it here? um, this is the park, right? Don't tell me I have to re-watch it, cause I do not want to, bruh. I think I should title this "Epic Fails," not I mean, not. I'm trying to find heart. Yeah, that should probably be it, cause I've been failing. Okay, my headset is pretty. It's working, I think. I don't know. I keep thinking these are hearts, man. Ugh. Wait, who is this? Direct? That's 69, man. This dude really wanna be funny, yes. Okay, I guess I will just go to the nearest one and go to like one place that I found like. But what? What? Oh no. Easy. Just reset. Hush, your baby, don't you cry, my mom's gonna be alright. Okay, this is the start place. I think it was up somewhere. Um, please don't tell me I have to rewatch that, cause it's boring. Just rewatching, unpausing, rewatching, unpausing. It's just so boring. Wait a second. No. Don't tell me I have to rewatch it, cause I'm really bored. Cause I don't really like rewatching videos again and again and again and again and again and again and again. So guys, I think I finally found a heart, but it's gonna have to. I have to go up there. Look, I think it's. Oh no. Guys, I'll just show you once I get up there, I think. Painful, man. It's so painful. Oh my god. This is pain. Literal pain. Y'all don't know what I'm feeling right now. Wish I had jump or whatever. Wish I could jump higher. Stuck. Okay. Oh wow. I keep drawing and undrawing it. Okay. Okay, and jump. Yes, yes, yes. Did I just come here? All the way here. Thinking this was a heart? Ah! I'm so dumb. Wait. Is this the location? Wait. Went to the wrong place? The opposite building. Isn't this? How am I supposed to climb this? How do I climb it? That's my biggest question right now. Oh. Okay. Gonna watch it again. Okay guys, I'm gonna go and try to get to the shop even though I know it's gonna be very painful. Just trust me, I know. Is there a heart up here? No. Wait. Did I just see a heart? I don't know. I think I'm just seeing shit. But I'll go look just in case. Never know when there's a heart. Oh, there isn't. But let me just get here, I guess. It's gonna be alright. Okay, be. Okay. Oh my god, I'm done. So done right now, man. Little baby, don't you cry. Okay. Stop gonna I'm gonna stop singing now. I sound really bad. I already know. Snip God. Why are there so many Anfields here? It's like an Anfield paradise. Maybe it is. Who knows? Do you know somewhere? Oh, wait, let me see. Kill one Anfield. How am I? Oh, bitch. No, bitch. Okay. Got scared right there. Thought I was gonna try and kill. What the? Hush, baby, don't you cry. Oh, baby. This video is gonna be pretty long, I guess, 10 minutes. This probably might be my longest video. I don't know. It might be. Who knows? Is that blood? What the freak is this? Oh, it's a zombie raid. I'm like, is that blood? Am I supposed to step there? Yeah. Okay, so I'm trying to find the shop and it's really painful. I'm literally licking my mic. Don't ask me why. Am I even going the right way, dude? I don't even know if I'm going the right way. Just don't remember at all. So from that dude, he went here and there was like it. What? Huh? It's like a railway shack thingy. Yeah, just like those. Why did I say railway shack thingy? There is no railway shack thingy here. This game. I don't know what I just said. Okay. Oh, wow. Was right here. And yeah, none. Fuck. Damn this blue car, nigga. Wait. What's this? Oh no. No! Holy sh. No. Do I have to buy? Come on. Why did I? I thought there was a cancel button. Spent money. Wah, wah. Ah. Do I have to watch it again? This video isn't gonna end if I unless I don't find a heart. So yeah. Okay guys, I've been searching for an hour. Can't find it. I am very sorry. That's it for today's video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.